In an overly saturated industry, one of the best ways to make your business stand out is through the use of quality graphic design. Today, I'm going to share with you 7 creative ways to make your business stand out. This video is a two-way part and it's also for graphic designer looking for ideas to pitch to their client. 1. Create a unique logo. Your logo is the face of your business. It should be unique, memorable, and reflect your brand's personality. It's one of the first things people are going to see about your brand and should make a good first impression. A few types of logo includes watermark logo, lettermark logo, or icon, and even abstract logo. 2. Develop your branding. Branding is the way you present your business. It's more than just a logo design. It includes color scheme, font choices, overall style and feel of your brand. Use graphic design to create a consistent look across all your visual materials, from your website to your business cards. This gives your brand a luxury and professional look. People will connect more with your brand, understand what your brand is all about from afar. Design marketing materials. Graphic design is crucial when it comes to creating marketing materials. Designs like flyers, brochures, and posters are important. Those materials should be visually appealing. They should be easy to read and they must reflect everything your brand represents. In doing this, consider the use of pictures that best describes your brand message. A mixture of great pictures about your business, great typography, and layout can make a great visual design for your brand. 4. I will say, create social media graphics. Social media is a powerful tool for marketing your business. Use graphic design to create high-catching graphics for your channel. This will help you stand out from the competition and attract more followers. New updates about your business can catch more attention if presented well with the use of graphics design. Celebrating national holidays and important dates is also a great way to connect with your customer base, and you can create a design for this. 5. Design product packaging. Your product's packaging should reflect your brand and make your brand stand out on the shelves. Make use of graphic design to create packaging that is visually appealing and represent your brand personality. There are brands that record increasing sales just by rebranding their products. This could be a way to reach new audience as well. A great product packaging design should be catchy, clean, and have elements of what your product contains. 6. Design email marketing. Email marketing is a great way to reach your audience directly. A lot of people are still catching up on this, and using graphic design gives you a chance to catch the attention of your potential leads so that they don't pass your email as just another targeted ad campaign. Use graphic design to create visually appealing email campaign that contains your brand directions, available products, deals, and contacts. 7. Create business presentations. Whether you're presenting to your clients or at a conference full of investors, presentation should be visually appealing and engaging. Use graphic design to create a presentation that communicates your business. Sometimes ideas are best presented through the use of infographics. If this is used correctly, you can build a great connection with your audience and even talk to potential investors about your business. In conclusion, there are countless number of ways to use graphic design in your business. By creating a strong brand image, designing marketing materials, engaging your audience with visually appealing graphic designs, you can set your business apart from the competition and build a strong following. I hope you found these 7 creative ways to use graphic design in your business helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you some other time for more brand tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.